Hi teacher, my name is Ulite Janaria Rojas. I'm going to present my prayers of present continuous. My ID is 1002329879, and my family die life. First, my sister is speaking with my cousin. 2. My mom is cooking the breakfast in the morning. 3. My sister is playing on the phone. 4. My mom is using the phone to learn English. 5. My dad is going to work at 8 o'clock. 6. My mom is organizing her room in the afternoon. 9. My sister is training for soccer 12 o'clock. 8. My dog is sleeping after eating. 9. My parents are boiling bread every morning. 10. My sister and I are making lunch every week. 11. My brother is playing on the computer every morning. 12. I'm getting up at 12 o'clock every morning. 13. My dogs are eating twice a day. 14. I'm studying English strongly. 15. I am going to work at 9 o'clock. 16. We all are having dinner. 17. My brother is going to bed very late. 8. My dad is wearing his uniform daily. And 19. Is washing my teeth daily. And 20. My mother is driving every day. Thank you, teacher.